Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to introduce you to Hiccup Childs' sister.
When hurts, I'm crying child.
It's called Crying Child. Give us a good one, okay? Why are you crying?
Because the hiccups hurt.
We've never figured out why you like the hiccups. Have we ever figured that out? Have we ever figured it out why you like the hiccups?
No.
Okay. Is it possible that it's some kind of funny feeling? Well, maybe your sister. Does Crying Child know?
Maybe it just gets into her body and tells her to do so. I don't have a special talent. I'm just stupid.
No, you're not.
Yes! Yes!
Well, you're good at overacting.
Oh! I just want to play. I don't want to play! I don't want to play! Oh, I just want to tear myself apart! Why, people, do you like this hiccuping? Why is it so amusing to you people? Watch!
So Crying Child is the result.
I think what he means to say, the crying child is the result of hiccup child.
Oh, that's very good overacting.
Overacting, I just stopped my job. I'm serious, man.